In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Smartsheet dashboard. Whether you're looking to share your insights with team members or stakeholders, learning how to effectively publish your dashboard is an essential skill. So, let's dive right into it. First, you need to open the dashboard you intend to publish. To do this, simply log into your Smartsheet account and navigate through your projects until you reach the specific dashboard that contains all the information you want to share. Take a moment here to ensure that everything looks just the way you want it before moving on, because once you publish, your audience will see everything that's currently displayed. Once you've confirmed that your dashboard is ready, you need to access the Publish settings. Look towards the upper right corner of your dashboard, where you'll find the Publish button. Clicking on this button is your gateway to publishing, so don't hesitate to give it a click. This will open up the Publish menu where you'll see various options related to sharing your dashboard. Now, to make your dashboard publicly accessible, you'll want to enable publishing. In the Publish menu, you'll find a toggle switch labeled Publish. Go ahead and switch this option to On. By doing so, you are enabling others to view your dashboard using a unique link, which will be generated in a moment. It's important to note that enabling this option makes your dashboard accessible to anyone with the link, so be sure to consider your privacy and security needs before continuing. As soon as you toggle publishing on, Smartsheet generates a unique URL associated with your dashboard. This URL is the key to sharing your dashboard with others. All you need to do is copy this link. You can simply highlight the URL and use your keyboard shortcuts, such as Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac, or right-click and select Copy. With this link now in your clipboard, you're ready to distribute it to your intended audience, giving them access to view your carefully crafted dashboard. Sharing this published link can be done in various ways. You might choose to email it to colleagues, embed it on your company's intranet, or even share it via a messaging platform that your team uses. Whichever method you choose, the important thing is that your dashboard is now visible to whomever you've decided should see it, providing them with insights at their fingertips. And that's it. You've just learned how to publish a Smartsheet dashboard. Remember, if there's ever a time you want to adjust who can see your dashboard, simply return to the Publish settings and toggle the publishing option off. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you share your work more effectively.